Many people are afraid of speaking in groups because what they anticipate is that there'll be a heckler or somebody who's hostile or people that aren't really available and ready to listen. So how do you manage that? I'd say my answer is to be comfortable with what you have to express. Always know what it is that you want to get across and stick to that. That's the content piece of it. The actual relationship part of it is to know that these people aren't going to come after you with knives or guns, most likely. But it is an uncomfortable situation. It's a social situation, and the way you handle it is with grace and with listening and perhaps trying to hear what those people are saying. And if it's just out of control, get off the stage right away. Anyway, I can help you learn quite a bit about speaking without anxiety anytime, any place. So please look up more videos that I'll be offering here, Doreen, 7steps.com.